Hello everyone, welcome to series Educational Resources of School Links program. Today we are going to learn about birds of prey. First of all, we need to know about common characters of birds. There are totally over 10,000 species of birds in the world. Each species has one varies in size, shape, color, diet, and habitat needs. All birds have warm blood and vertebrate animals. They have 2 wings and 2 legs that they use for hunting, walking, swimming, and perching, depending upon the species. As we can see 2 different species. First one is sacred falcon, second is penguin, third is kiwi. The sacred falcon is flight bird, and other 2 birds are flightless birds, even though they have a wing. Feathers. Birds are the only living animal that has feathers. These feathers insulate and protect their bodies, keep them warm, and they are what make flight possible for most birds. We can call feathers as tail, wing, breast, and back feathers. Wing feathers include primaries, secondaries, and tertiary feathers. Anatomy of birds. Birds have large skeleton and hollow bones. It helps power birds to flying. What do you think how a bird breathes? They used to breathe lungs and air sacs. All birds are oviparous animals. Depending on the species, the size, color, and amount of eggs laid varies greatly. Larger birds of prey lay fewer eggs than their smaller counterparts, such as vulture lay 1 egg and sacred falcon 3 or 4 eggs during a breeding season, while small kestrel can have up to 6 eggs in one clutch. Birds of prey are meat eaters. Each raptor species' diet varies quite a lot, depending on the size of the bird, the habitat in which it lives, and a number of other factors. Some raptors like the osprey feed mainly fish. Other raptors like kestrel feed on insects and small reptiles or mammals. Others like the vulture feed carrion of the animals, and lammergeier feed bones of animals. As for the sacred falcon, it eats and small birds. What kind of birds of prey do you know? Here is showing beak and feet types of some birds of prey. Birds of prey have exceptionally good vision, a sharp hooked beak, and powerful feet with curved, sharp talons. Birds of prey are divided into 2 basic groups. First one is diurnal, those more active during the day. The diurnal birds of prey include hawks, eagles, kites, osprey, hares, hawks, buzzards, vultures, and falcons. The second group is nocturnal. Those are more active at night. Nocturnal birds of prey include all the owls. Types of diurnal birds of prey. From this slide, you can see glossary of birds and wing types of some of the raptors. Thanks for watching, and for more information and educational resources on falconry and birds of prey, go to following links. Also, please contact 2 following emails are to join the IAF School Links program.